Right, good morning guys. Day 2 of the car, and well, had a good sleep last night and plus had a great fun with the car. Drove the car basically a bit large circle around the city. So today, a little treat for the car and upgrade. We are going to upgrade the exhaust and also the for the hood as well, which we will show later on. So now for a quick breakfast before we send to the workshop. It's early in the morning, about 7:45, and get the car started first, warm it up. Oh, I can't imagine what it's like when the exhaust is installed. Okay, let's start the day. Okay, we just had breakfast, so now on the way to the shop and looking forward to the upgrade. Been waiting for this for a long time. Actually, I ordered the exhaust almost slightly near the time I ordered this car. So it's gone through a long process. It came from the States actually. Came from the States and it took quite a long time to clear customs, but it's finally here at the shop. So we'll upgrade the exhaust and then do the other things which I'll mention later on. So yeah. Let's just hope for an exciting day, because this exhaust I think is going to be pretty loud considering what I've seen in the videos. Okay, so they're going to do the work. Alright, so this is the original sound of the car. Fast forward a little bit and the 86 is on the ramp, so they are just doing the service on top and then just changing the oil. And then this is the original exhaust, so it's just taken down. So I suppose I assume that's the exhaust there, the box there. So everything is empty here. So before I take off to work, so this is where is the progress now. And look, my good friend is here.
Hello.
It actually looks quite good on the RAM though.
Very beautiful.
Can't wait for the body kit to arrive as well. Okay, so I thought that the new exhaust at the back. So here's the new exhaust. So here is AWE tuning, touring. Oh yeah, they did say they'll provide the lollipop here. So I thought it sounded very good on the internet. So this is the new exhaust that's going to be installed to the GR. So I cannot wait to see what it does. Unfortunately, I can't stay here too long because I have an appointment after this. But this is it, flown all the way from the States. Exciting, exciting. Okay, so just finished my work and then just got over. So they've already fixed the exhaust and you look at the chrome tip. And then yeah, it's all there. So the original one, the original exhaust, we're just gonna keep it for in future. So can't wait to get them to start the engine, and I think it's gonna be a loud one. Cold start for the first time. Beautiful. Okay, first start. Okay, this is the first time we're gonna hear it. Oh, Happy Chinese New Year. Okay, I think that's money well spent. That is money well spent. I'm so thrilled to drive this on the road now. Woohoo! Okay, so service is done, and oh yeah, they're adding the dampers right now. And oh yeah, I decided to change the lights here to white because initially it was yellow, so just change it to white. It makes it look a lot nicer. And yeah, it should be all good. Oh man, I'm so thrilled. The sound. Okay. Oh my word, the sound is so much more enhanced. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna behave myself. I'm not going to rev it too hard or anything. Wow. Well, the cold start definitely is loud. Definitely, I am not going to start the car early in the morning. If not, my neighbor's going to complain the hell out of me. Damn, that was loud. But once it warms up, yeah, it softens down, becomes very civilized. I like it. Nice and clear. Yes! This is what I'm looking for. Oh, it's so cool. And actually when I drive it, actually at this slow speed, actually it softens down, it becomes very civilized. Only when I revved it really hard, when it throttled down really hard, then only does it make a loud noise. So yeah, it's perfect. It's perfect. I was initially concerned it's just going to be rumbling all the way, making all sorts of wailing all the way, but it's not. It's fine. Alright, the game is on. More things to come for this car though. More things to come for this car. Enjoy the process like a good friend mindset. Okay, let's just go home and yeah, call it a day. Okay, so fast forward, we are at home. So a few things I've changed. Obviously, the main thing is the exhaust. It makes a really good noise. But once it's stationary, once it warms up, it's like very civilized and it's not obnoxious. Anyway, I can't do cold start early in the morning. It's not, my neighbors are just going to complain. I changed the reverse light, changed it to white. Originally it was a little yellowish, so we changed to white. And then something simple which I bought from Japan are the dampers here, so it makes it easier to open and close at the same time. So from Blitz actually. So yeah, I'm very happy with the result. I mean, the guys, they did a great job. I mean, at the workshop. So I really thanks the boss in charge, Mr. Chin. I think he has done great. Really. Okay, and that's all for the next segment of the GR86. We have more coming for this car. In fact, we're just going to bring it for more events eventually. So stay tuned and we'll catch up for the next time. Cheers.